Are you in the market for a new camping folding knives, but not sure where to start? Look no further, because this video offers valuable insights into the best camping folding knives on the market. After extensive research, we compiled a list of recommended products from trusted brands, so you can make an informed choice. To access details about the price and more, refer to my description. Let's proceed with the video promptly. Number 1. Grand Way Long Blade Folding Knife. Are you looking for a versatile and reliable tool for your outdoor activities? Look no further than the Grand Way Long Blade Folding Knife. This knife features a large blade that is sharp and can withstand heavy use. It's perfect for outdoor activities such as hunting, hiking, camping, tactical situations, and survival work. The blade is also foldable, making it easy to carry and store. And with its compatibility with any knife sharpener, you can maintain its sharpness for long periods. The knife's rosewood handle adds a touch of elegance to the overall design, while providing a comfortable and secure grip. It's suitable for both men and women, and its size makes it easy to handle and use in various situations. Whether you spend time outdoors or need a reliable tool for everyday use, the Grand Way Long Blade Folding Knife is a great investment. Its sturdy construction, sharp blade, and elegant design make it a top choice for those who value quality and functionality in their tools. Number 2. GVDV Pocket Folding Knife. When it comes to outdoor activities like camping, hunting, or hiking, having the right gear is essential. And one piece of equipment that should always be in your backpack is the GVDV Pocket Folding Knife. Made with 7cr17 stainless steel, this tactical knife is built to last. The safety liner lock ensures that the blade stays securely in place while in use, providing added safety and security. And the knife's wooden handle not only looks sleek, but also provides a comfortable and firm grip, even in wet conditions. Plus, the addition of a belt clip makes it easy to carry around, and you won't have to worry about losing it. This knife makes for a fantastic gift for Father's Day or any special occasion. All in all, the GVDV Pocket Folding Knife is an excellent choice for anyone in need of a reliable and stylish blade for outdoor activities. Number 3. CRKT CEO Flipper EDC Folding Pocket Knife. If you're someone who needs a reliable everyday carry knife that won't weigh you down, you're in luck. The CRKT CEO Flipper is definitely worth considering. This knife boasts a ball-bearing pivot system, which ensures a smooth and speedy opening of the blade, making it a breeze to use. The blade itself is crafted from high-carbon stainless steel, which not only makes it easy to sharpen, but also means it's able to handle a range of tasks with ease. The handle of the knife is made from glass-reinforced nylon, which is both lightweight and strong, providing a comfortable grip. Additionally, the liner lock is designed for easy one-handed closure, making it a practical choice for everyday use. The adjustable clip allows for versatile left or right-hand carry, catering to different users' preferences. Overall, the CRKT CEO Flipper EDC Folding Pocket Knife is an excellent option for those who want a reliable and versatile everyday carry knife. Its combination of smooth performance, sturdy construction, and comfortable design make it an all-around winner. Number 4. GVDV Utility Pocket Knife. Are you an outdoor enthusiast who loves to explore the wilderness? Then the GVDV Utility Pocket Knife is a tool that you should have in your arsenal. Made from 7cr17 stainless steel, this folding knife is durable and resistant to corrosion, ensuring that it will last for years to come. With its liner lock mechanism, the blade stays securely in place while in use, providing maximum safety and stability. The GVDV knife is designed for outdoor activities such as camping, hunting, and hiking. And it comes equipped with a seatbelt cutter and glass breaker for emergencies. The clip makes it easy to carry around, and the ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, making it perfect for everyday use. The knife is also a great gift option for Father's Day or for anyone who loves outdoor activities. Its sleek design and reliable functionality make it an excellent addition to any knife collection. Overall, the GVDV Utility Pocket Knife is a high-quality and dependable tool that offers excellent value for money. Its versatility, durability, and safety features make it an excellent choice for anyone who loves the outdoors. Number 5. Kershaw Shuffle 2-Tan Multifunction Folding Pocket Knife. Are you looking for a small and lightweight pocket knife that can handle a range of tasks while you're out and about? Look no further than the Kershaw Shuffle 2 Folding Pocket Knife. With its 2.6-inch blade made from durable stainless steel and partially serrated edge, this knife can handle tough materials like rope or cardboard. And it's not just a blade that's versatile. The textured handle offers a secure and comfortable grip, with added features like a bottle opener, flathead screwdriver, and lanyard hole. Plus, with its sleek and modern design, the Kershaw Shuffle 2 comes in multiple styles to suit your personal taste. So whether you're out camping, hiking, or just need a reliable pocket knife for everyday carry, the Kershaw Shuffle 2 Folding Pocket Knife is the perfect tool for the job. It's all from my end. I make helpful videos every day, so subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you need more information or want to find out the price of the product, see my description. If there are any problems, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.